Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa.
Welcome to another episode of Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. You cannot control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. With that thought, let us start today's episode by paying our tribute to Dr. Radha Bhaskar. Dr. Radha Bhaskar is a senior disciple of Padma Bhushan Shri P.S. Narayana Swami. She has performed all around the world and won many prestigious titles like Kala Seva Bharati, Yuva Kala Bharati, Sangeeta Kala Bharati and many more. She has won many awards like Musical Excellence Award from Shivan Art Academy, Women of Excellence Award from Women Economic Forum and many more. She had the privilege to conduct a singing program with more than 5,000 kids in the presence of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let us see her performance.
Greetings and namaskarams to all viewers of Shankara TV. Today I am going to share with you some aspects about our raga, which is the quintessential aspect of Indian classical music. Be it Hindustani music or Carnatic music, we see that the raga forms the very edifice of the system. Again, if you look at the various aspects of Manodharma Sangeeta, like Tanam, Neraval, Kalpanaswaram, all of it is based on raga. Also, the vast variety of compositions that have been handed down to us by our composers are all based on raga. But the fact remains that the raga as such blossomed to its best, I would say, in the hands of the Trinity, the Mumurtigal, Sri Tyagarajar, Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar and Sri Shyama Sastri. One of the earliest reference we see to the ragam is through the puns in the Tevaram, and later on we see that in the Ashtabadis there's a mention of the ragam, but we do not really know how it sounded. So that way we could say that in terms of giving complete shape to ragas, the Trinity hold a very, very important place. Just for example, if we take Tyagaraja, we see that in the Rakti ragas like Shankaravarnam, Bhairavi, Todi, Kalyani, Kambodi, he has created innumerable compositions exploring various facets of the beauty of these ragas. Not only did he do this, he also was a genius in creating so many new ragas like Bahudari, Jayanta Sena, Jayanta Shri, Bindu Malini, and so many more. Now, coming to Dikshidhar, I would say that he is a global musician because he had a complete understanding of Western music, Hindustani music, though he did compose compositions in the Carnatic mode. One example I would like to give of his understanding of the Western scales, in the sense that Shankarabharanam, both as a scale and a raga, how he has handled it very beautifully. As a scale, we know that he created a lot of notuswaras like Rama Janadana Ravana Mardana Ramanujagraja Raja Vibho Pamara Mochana Pankaja Lochana Bhakta Jana Priya Palayamam. Now, the same scale, when it takes the shape of a beautiful and grand Shankarabharanam, how does it sound? Akshaya Linga Vibho Swayambho. Like this is composed so many compositions in Shankarabharanam. Now, we also know that he stayed in Varanasi for some time and was greatly influenced by Hindustani music. So, the same ragam which was handled by Tyagaraja with a lot of what I call as the Kampi the Kamakam, our Dikshidhar has used a lot of jarus in the Hindustani mode to give it a distinct flavor. For example, if you look at Sri Satyanarayanam in Shubha Pantrali, how has he done the composition? Shri Satya Narayanam Upasmahe Nityam Satya Jnananandamayam Sarvam Vishnu Mayanshi. Similarly, if you look at Shyama Sastri, he has given his own stamp, I would say, in ragas like Begada, Shankarabharanam, Saveri, Natakurji, and so on. Why? The Trinity have been trendsetters in the sense that many composers who came after them followed their footsteps only in terms of composing various compositions. Thus, I would say that the Trinity have really paved the way in terms of creating compositions not only in well-established ragas, but also created new ragas. And at the same time, we owe a lot to them in the sense that what we sing today are all, I would say, an influence and inspiration from them. Just as any artist cannot say that, oh, today I finished exhausting the entire possibility of the ragam, similarly, no composer can ever say that through his composition, he has explored all the possibilities of any raga. That is what is a raga, a vast ocean. I would say it is more like a mirage, because the more you try to approach it, the more nearer you get to it, you understand that it goes further from you. But then the ragam is something really worth exploring, and it's a beautiful journey that every musician and rasika undertakes in terms of exploring raga. Thank you.
Thank you, Radha ma'am. It's time now to watch our first semi-finalist contestant, Sandhya R from Chennai.
புகழ் ஆலவாய் வளர் சங்க தமிழ் தலைவனே தராதலம் புகழ் ஆலவாய் வளர் சங்க தமிழ் தலைவனே பவனவராபயகரா சனித பவ பவனவராபயகரா நீசகரி சனித பவ பவனவரா மகபமத பனித சனிகரி சனித பவ பவனவரா நீசகரி சனி 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 சரிகரி சனி தனி சரிகரி சனி தனி சனி நி சனித பதானி சனித பவ பவனவரா நித பப்ப பம பதனித பமக கம பதனித பமக கனி தனி கத பத கபம பமகரி சனி சமகரி சனி சபம பமகரி சனி சனி தனி தபம காம பதனி சதா தானி சனி சதா தானி சனி கமகரி சனி சகரி ரிக சரி நிரி சனி தபதானி சரி கனி சரி தானி சனி தபம பதனி ம பத கம ப பமகரி சரி கம கம ப ம பத பவன வரபயகர மீனலோச்சனி மணாளன் உள்ளமிரங்கி அடிமையாய் பவன வரபயகர மீனலோச்சனி மணாளன் உள்ளமிரங்கி அடிமையாய் ஸ்ரீ கௌரி மனோகரா கருணாகரா சிவசங்கரா ஸ்ரீ கௌரி மனோகரா
That was a splendid performance by Sandhya. To vote for her, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
A splendid Gauri Manohari. Really enjoyed your performance. Overall, very neat presentation. நல்ல ராகம். அதாவது யூ ஹவ் சங் ஃபார் 21 seconds, பட் தட் வாஸ் பிரில்லியன்ட். வெரி நைஸ் கிருதி அண்ட் a good nice kalpanaswaram. My tip to you would be you get a slight cold feet when it is going up. I mean tarasthaiki porache you are feeling a little scared. Sa sa ni sa ri ga 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 ma ga ma ga ma ga ri sa ni da ni sa. So இங்க கீழே பாடுற அந்த ஒரு மேக்னிடியூட் வந்து மேல இல்லை. ஸோ அது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஒரு மியூசிஷியனாக பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும்போது இங்க என்ன ஒரு மேக்னிடியூட் நமக்கு இருக்கோ அதே மேல இருக்கணும். நீ கத்த சொல்லல, நீ இது அது வந்து பாடினா ஒரு பயத்தை விட்டு பாடினா வாய்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரெயின் ஆகும் இனிஷியலி, பட் தென் அந்த பயத்தை போக்கிட்டானா இட் வில் பி ரியலி குட். இஃப் யூ கேன் ப்ராக்டிஸ் தட், பி மோர் லவுட் அண்ட் loud means not harsh. You can open up a little more when you sing your top notes.
Thank you Mahathi ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
Beautiful rendition of Gauri Manohari. Your alapana was very neat and clear rendition, and followed by the swara portions, which was very, very neatly presented. I loved your rendition. Your Manodharmam is very good. All the best.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
It is difficult to choose a raga like Gauri Manohari in a format like this and impress with it, and you managed to do that. Your rendition of Gauri Manohari was very, very melodious and of a high level of professionalism and competence. Of course, it's very noteworthy the point of the Kalpanaswara that you chose, which was 5 aksharas atita, which is 5 aksharas before the samam. It's a very tricky place to put swaram, and you navigated it very easily as if it was like drinking a glass of water. It was very well done and I really enjoyed listening.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Who are the parents of Lord Surya? I'll tell you the answer after the small break.
Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa. Dum dum tanana dum dum tanana dum dum magappa.
Welcome back to Arun XLO present Shankara Super Singer Season 2, a unique stay-at-home reality show. The parents of Surya were Kashyapa and Aditi. Let us see our next contestant, Aparna Rao from Bengaluru.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्धनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् आवुकुलवोरंग अरियलागदु आवुकुलवोरंग अरियलागदु आवुकुलवेंदरियलागदु गोवकायवगुल्लनंते ಆವಕುಲವೆಂದರಿಯಲಾಗದು ಗೋವಕಾಯವಗೊಲ್ಲನಂತೆ ದೇವಲೋಕದ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಹೂವಸತಿಗೆ ತಂದನಂತೆ ದೇವಲೋಕದ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಹೂವಸತಿಗೆ ತಂದನಂತೆ ಆವಕುಲವೋರಂಗ ಅರಿಯಲಾಗದು ಗೋಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದನಂತೆ ಗೋಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದನಂತೆ ಗೋಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದನಂತೆ ಗೋಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದನಂತೆ ಕೊಡಲೂದಿ ಮೃಗ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಅರುವು
performance by Aparna. To vote for her, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about her performance.
You started off with a Vritam. Your voice is very sweet and nice. It was a nice rendition. All the best.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
A brilliant voice texture, very nicely rendered. Enjoyed your performance. I hope you have more to showcase in this genre. You sound very good. I mean, a very different voice texture. Very nice Shruti alignment.
Thank you ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
Such a beautiful rendition in a beautiful raga Vasanti, and you sang with a lot of devotion. I liked the way you use your voice to good effect. It's got long notes and it's got these nice little nuances and harkats that you give inside. Overall, you sang very well and I liked listening to it.
Thank you Manasi ma'am for your comments. Let us see our next semi-finalist Vijaya Shri from Bengaluru. Performance by Vijayashri. To vote for her, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Only SMS votes are valid. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to tell about her performance.
A very nice rendition of Alapana in Kapi. The Kriti was also well rendered. All the best.
Thank you Shanti ma'am for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about her performance.
It was a very nice classical rendition of Kapi. a raga like Kapi can be sung in two ways. It can be sung in a lighter fey, which we use for singing dasarapadas or bhajans, and there is also a very classical way of singing Kapi which is used in kritis such as this and Inta Saukyamanine, and you presented a very classical version of it which I really enjoyed. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Mahati ma'am has to say about her performance.
நல்ல வாய்ஸ் இருக்கு. காப்பி ஓவராலா நல்ல ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். ராகம் பாடுறதுக்கு இன்னும் ஃப்ளோ வரணும். அது வந்து பாட பாட தான் வரும். நம்மளால a+b² = a² + 2ab + b² மாதிரி பைஹார்ட் பண்ண முடியற விஷயமே கிடையாது. ஸோ அது பாட 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 தான் வரும். there's no hard and fast rule as to, there's no formula to teach you, there's nothing like that. It just comes as you sing. ஸோ அது நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும்.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Let us see our next semi-finalist, Srinidhi Satyanarayanan from Srirangam. That was a wonderful performance. To vote for Srinidhi, type S2 space contestant code and send it to us on 9880677833. Let us see what our judge Shanti ma'am has to say about the performance.
Nice alap in Purvi Kalyani. You sang Meenakshi Mimudam of Dikshidhar Kriti. Still, the Sangatis need more clarity. You can still perfect the composition, and in fact you sang only the Pallavi portion. Nice rendition. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what Mahati ma'am has to say about the performance.
நீங்க பாடும்போது நிறைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தெரியறது சிங்கிங்ல. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. பாடுற ஒரு ஓவரால் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ண வேண்டிய விஷயங்கள் வந்து இப்ப வந்து முடிக்கிற இடம் கமபமகரி கமபக எல்லாமே வந்து கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். ஸோ அது if you work on, definitely there is lot of scope for improvement.
Thank you, Mahati ma'am, for your comments. Let us see what our judge Manasi ma'am has to say about the performance.
It was a good rendition of Purvi Kalyani and Meenakshi Memudam. You sang well. My only advice to you would be to work a little more on your voice culture. Sing long notes. Everything doesn't have to be a fast phrase. You can have some long notes in the middle, which is also an important part of classical music, right? So work on those aspects. Overall, well sung.
Thank you, ma'am, for your comments. Who gave Pashupatastra to Arjuna? Let us see the answer after a small break.
Dum dum tanana dum